Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the basics that matter. Confirm a stable connection and that you're signed into the right Google account. Once done, open the problematic document and immediately try refresh. That often resolves transient sync glitches. Next, disable extensions or open an incognito window to rule out add-on interference. Make sure to note whether the issue appears for collaborators too, since that tells you if it's account-specific versus document-specific. Now move to the deeper fixes without delay. You now focus on syncing and document state. First, make a copy to preserve edits before experimenting. Then clear browser cache or test the file in a different browser to separate cache issues from account problems. Check Google Drive storage and the document's activity pane for conflicting edits or version history. You can restore a prior version if needed. If collaborators see different content, ask them to close and reopen the doc. These steps isolate whether the error is local, browser, or drive related. Finish by securing your work and addressing remaining causes. If you need immediate access, export the document as docx or PDF and continue offline, then re-import once fixed. If authentication or permission errors persist, revoke the site's account access and sign in again to force a fresh token. Finally, if the problem remains, open the browser console, capture errors and timestamps, and contact Google support with that data for faster resolution. Tip: restarting your device often clears stuck sync services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.